This Remax Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. 2-bedroom, 3-bath, 1.5-story brick townhome in Village Square in City of Shelby. Home has a covered front patio and a fenced rear patio. The rear patio has a connection for a gas grill and an outside storage room. Home is built with an open floor plan. The main level has a foyer, living room, dining, kitchen, office, laundry room, 2 bedrooms, and 2 baths. All bedrooms have walk-in closets. Living room has built-ins and a brick fireplace with gas logs. The kitchen has a breakfast bar and plenty of cabinets and counter space. The laundry room is spacious with shelving and overhead cabinets for storage. Primary bedroom is large with a large walk-in closet. Primary bath has double separate vanities, one with a makeup desk, and a walk-in shower. Upper level has a large bonus room featuring a walk-in closet and ensuite bath with walk-in shower. The bonus room could be used as an additional bedroom. Village Square has a tennis court and a community pool. This is a convenient location near all uptown Shelby has to offer. It is a must-see. For more information,